How to use body language to seduce women. Welcome back to How to Become a Magnetic Man. If you're looking to elevate your game and become irresistible to women, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to share 5 simple, research-based actions that you can start taking today to attract women. Let's dive in. Action 1. Improve your posture. Studies have shown that good posture can make you appear more confident and dominant, traits that are highly attractive to women. By simply standing up straight, pulling your shoulders back, and lifting your chin, you instantly project more confidence and self-assurance. Try it out next time you're in a social setting, and notice the difference in how women respond to you. Action 2. Develop a sense of humor. Women love men who can make them laugh. Research indicates that humor is closely linked to intelligence and social skills, both of which are attractive qualities. Start by learning a few jokes, watching comedy shows, or just finding ways to see the lighter side of life. Making a woman laugh not only makes her feel good but also creates a positive association with you. Action 3. Practice active listening. One of the most powerful ways to attract women is by showing genuine interest in what they have to say. Active listening involves giving your full attention, nodding, and responding thoughtfully to show that you care. Women appreciate being heard and valued, and this simple act can significantly increase your attractiveness. Action 4. Dress well. Your appearance plays a crucial role in first impressions. Studies have found that well-dressed men are perceived as more attractive and successful. You don't need to wear designer clothes, but make sure your outfit is clean, fits well, and suits the occasion. Dressing well boosts your confidence and shows that you take care of yourself, which is appealing to women. Action 5. Show kindness and respect. Kindness and respect are universally attractive traits. Research has shown that women are more attracted to men who are considerate and respectful towards others. Simple acts of kindness, like holding the door open, offering a compliment, or helping someone in need, can make you stand out as a genuinely good person. And there you have it, 5 simple, research-backed actions you can take to become more attractive to women. Remember, confidence, humor, listening, dressing well, and kindness go a long way. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Let us know which action you're going to try first. Thanks for watching How to Become a Magnetic Man. See you next time.